Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're back in the kitchen. This time it's for a stew recipe. It's quick and it's easy. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're doing a stew recipe. First thing you want to do, get your crock pot started. It's on low. Now, I'm going to be using canned vegetables. You can use fresh vegetables if you want, or frozen. It's up to you. It's just easier for me to use canned vegetables. We're going to have 2 cans of green beans. And they're cut green beans, no added salt. 2 cans is 105 calories. Then we got 2 cans of sliced carrots. And that's a 14.5 ounce can. The green beans was 14.5 ounces. Second can of carrots. Carrots, the 2 cans are 140 total. Then we have sliced potatoes. 2 cans, 300 calories, 15 ounce can. Now, if you use frozen vegetables, you're going to have to add water to it. And we'll cover the water here in a minute. And I have 1 can of corn. It's really supposed to be 2 cans, but I only have 1 can. Whole corn of corn. 1 can is 210 calories. Now, this is best with the McCormick chicken gravy mix. I only had 1 of those, so I'm using the Great Value brand. Yeah, I need a total of 5 packs. So, when you use the water, you only want enough water for 4 packs. So that's 4 cups of water. I measured this out before, and it's pretty close to 4 cups. So let's go ahead, get our gravy mix in. Now I know some people, when they make stew, they'll just use like flour or cornstarch to thicken it. And that really adds no flavor in my opinion. Now if you're wondering why chicken gravy and not the beef gravy, it's because I'm using pork. And the chicken gravy seems to complement it the best. You can use beef. Just seems like right now, a lot of times pork is cheaper. I never made it with chicken. You probably use chicken too. If you use chicken, let me know how it turns out. Give it a quick stir. And don't worry, this will all dissolve once we get it to cooking. Now I'm using boneless pork stew meat. I have 1.62 pounds. So I had to figure it out to ounces, which is 22.2 ounces, and it's 4-ounce servings. But it narrows it down to 832 calories. You want at least, I'm going to say, at least a pound of your meat, be it chicken, pork, beef. At least a pound, about 1.5 pounds. You can see that it's already cut up for you. That's what I like about it. It's already done. One less thing I got to do. Okay, give it a nice little stir. Okay, we're going to put the lid on it. Check back in on it in about 4 hours. Now, I still have 1 pack of gravy mix. Just in case it's not as thick as I like it, I can always add another pack. Okay, so we'll check back on it and see how it looks. Okay, everybody, it's been 5 hours now. I did go ahead and add the extra packet of gravy mix. But you can see it mixed up well, but I got it unplugged, and it will thicken up as time goes by. So I'm just going to leave it uncovered and let it cool off a little bit. But there you go. That's the end result. Now for you who are counting calories, this is before I actually added the extra packet of gravy mix, which have been 80 more calories. But total calorie count, not counting the extra gravy pack, is 1,987.5. Divide that in 3 servings, it's around 663. 4 servings is around 500. So, I mean, you're going to get a good 4 servings out of this. And I think it cost me somewhere around 15 bucks. So you can feed 4 people for 15 bucks, which is less than $4 a person. And as a side note, this is really good on top of rice or mashed potatoes. You might even want to try it on some noodles. Okay, if you try this recipe, let me know what you think of it. I used to call this zombie stew. You know, people just loved it at work. But now you have the recipe for actual zombie stew, even though it's not really in the title. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.